Do you want to post anonymously on a Facebook group using your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to easily post anonymously in any Facebook group. So make sure to watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile application and then go over to the page where you want to post anonymously. To do that, tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on Groups. And then select the group. Once you are in the group, tap where it says Write Something. And now you'll see at the very top that there is the option to post anonymously. Just toggle this on. And then tap where it says I want to post anonymously. After that, go ahead and create your post. Once you've done that, tap on the post button at the top right corner of the screen. And your post will be posted to that group anonymously. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.